are going to make a Lego helicopter. So what are all pieces we need in this is these. This curved piece, two pointed piece, and this like two we need. One is glass and one is blue color. Then this cone shaped piece. So next I am going to show you the flat pieces. The big blue color flat piece and the small blue color flat piece and the grey flat piece and the small three pointed grey piece, and we have the wheels over here, and these are the wheel joiners I showed you in the last video for that Lego car, and these are fan joiners, and this one button piece, and this curved shape like this piece, and this piece like calendar shape one. Okay, next we are going to build it. Next time, so take this piece and take these two pieces and turn it back and stick it like this. Then take the grey piece and stick it like this. Next, take these two pieces and stick it over here. First the white and second the blue. Then take this piece and stick it over here. Then take this piece and stick over here. Then last piece is this. Then stick it over here. Then next you take these two pieces and leave these four pieces. Then put it over here. Then take the glass piece and put over here. Then take this blue curved piece one and stick over here. Then take this white piece and stick over here. Then next you got this. Now you take this biggest blue piece, then stick it over here. Then next take this piece, turn it upside down and take this piece and stick it like this. Then take this fan blade piece and stick it like this. Okay. Then next turn it upside down itself and put one wheel joiner, and second should be over here and third should be over here. Then next remove this piece and stick the wheel. Okay, next. Okay, then you got your helicopter, but there is still more. Take this cone shape and this button shape piece and stick it like this, and stick this over here, and take this piece and stick over here. Voila, here you got your helicopter. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for new videos. So bye guys, bye.